Welcome to Inspire Your Life. This guided meditation will help you release any negative emotions and attachments that may be holding you back. Please find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and begin to relax. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Last deep breath in and out. Continue inhaling and exhaling deeply. As you continue to relax, I want you to imagine a ball of white light above your head. This is the energy of the divine, and it is here to assist you in your meditation. See this ball of light becoming brighter and bigger as it descends down through the top of your head and fills your body with pure, cleansing energy. Allow this energy to flow through you, clearing away any negative or stagnant energy that may be present. Feel the tension and negativity leaving your body as this light fills you up. This light is so powerful and pure that it cleanses your body, mind, and spirit. Now, bring your attention to any negative emotions or attachments that you may be holding on to. Don't judge or analyze them, just observe them with a sense of detachment. Allow yourself to acknowledge these emotions and attachments without getting caught up in them. Imagine that these negative emotions or attachments are like dark clouds. See and feel them release from your body. Visualize them leaving your body and dissolving into the white light. As you release these negative emotions and attachments, feel yourself becoming lighter and freer. Take a deep breath in and imagine that you are pulling in pure, positive energy with each inhale. Allow this energy to fill your body and replace the negative energy that you have released. See this energy filling every cell in your body, bringing new life and vitality to you. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine that you are surrounded by a bright, protective light that shields you from any negative energy or influences. This light is so strong that it repels any negative energy and only allows positive energy to enter your space. Visualize yourself surrounded by loving and supportive energy. Feel the presence of your higher self and spiritual guides. Know that you are never alone and that you always have access to this positive, protective energy. Allow yourself to feel the love and support that is all around you. Now, I want to reinforce this positive energy. As you continue to visualize this positive energy, imagine that it is now a part of you. Imagine that you are filled with this positive energy and that it is now a part of your identity. You are now a positive person, filled with love, light, and vitality. Every time you think of this meditation, you will remember this positive energy, and it will continue to strengthen and grow within you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths before getting up and going about your day. Remember that this is a process, and it may take time to release all negative attachments or emotions. Be gentle with yourself and continue to practice this meditation regularly for best results. From Inspire Your Life, may you be blessed with love and light. Go forth and be the best version of yourself. Honor the divine in you. Namaste.